Hey everyone, Crazy Canuck coming at you again from the Ozarks. Another beautiful night, and just wanted to give you an update on some of the fall planting. If you remember back when I did this, I did a video, this was quite a while ago, about using perlite and a self-watering jar, and it works really well. There's these are your Cascadia snap peas coming up. This is some barley. I already transplanted most of it, and the nice part about using perlite is that when you pull them out, it doesn't damage the roots. A lot easier to transplant. So now I got some egg cartons. We've got some barley in this one. I planted some more different barley in that one, and I got some barley down in that one, and I got some flax, I got some wheat, I got some buckwheat. These are all going to go in containers just in case we get a frost. I can put them inside, and then it warms up, you put them back outside. Our winter daylight during the solstice in December, Missouri gets about 2 hours more daylight than Saskatchewan, so we get a little bit more growing, plus the warmer temperatures. Now I'll take you over to a couple other things that I got going. So they're selling transplants of cabbage, and I put 3 into the garden, and I see my mole is back. Well, I guess I gotta go get some juicy fruit. Looks hungry. Oh yeah, there's the hole. So I'll take care of him later. So because this soil's so dead, I gave it planted these last Saturday, and since then I gave them 2 treatments of the tea, and now we'll check the results. Okay. So what do we got here? We got about 3,000 or 300. Still not great. And I just tilled this up last night. I've been putting a lot of different material in here, trying to build up the soil, so it's doing really well. So that's the 3 in the garden. Now I'll take you to the other 3 in the big grow bed. So here's the other 3 that's in the grow bed, and same thing, they got a couple treatments of tea. So we'll just take a look at how they're doing. Oh, well, it just drops in. It's almost like there's no soil. About 200. That's not good at all. But still better than the old, the rest of it that didn't get the tea. So it's definitely going to need some more tea. And might even dress it with some compost. I might have a source for some really good compost. So this is the same grow bed that had the corn in it, and I'm going to transplant those peas, those Cascadias. I'm going to transplant them in here and see how they do. So now on to the rest. All right, well, the ginger is coming up. That's doing all right. We got some peppers. This is where I transplanted the Gopal barley. We'll see how that does. I planted some peas in here. And those are the Cascadia snap peas. I just put them in with seed. I didn't transplant them. Looks like raspberries are starting to come on. And the plant is starting to take off from the bottom. Looking good. So everything here is rocking and rolling. We probably have another couple months before we get a frost, so looking forward to seeing how everything does. So now we'll show you the planting of the barley in the garden. Well, anybody who's watched my videos from before, this is a nice way I plant grains into the garden. Just using an egg carton, you put the whole egg carton in. I got little slots cut in the bottom for the roots to get out, and this also acts as a bit of a weed barrier. Hopefully the moles will leave it alone too. And then once the grain is harvested, the egg carton gets worked in and becomes part of the soil. And I treated the cabbage with a little tea. This is what used to be lawn. This is looking a lot better than what I started with this spring. Getting the grass under control, better than over there. And this will be the planting area for next spring, and probably be a few more changes around here, hopefully. So anyway, that's a little bit of the gardening update. There'll be more to come as the grains start coming up and get a good start on them. So as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you soon. Let's go grow some food.